In the war between Iran and Israel, military technologies played the most important role. In this report, we introduce the top military technology of each country, technologies that played a key role in both attack and defense. Stay with us for more. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Qiam and Kheibarshekan, the main players in Iran's missile attack. The Kheibarshekan and Qiam missiles formed the backbone of Iran's missile strikes. According to estimates, Iran and its allies launched more than 150 to 200 ballistic missiles towards various targets inside Israel. These missiles were fired with a range of approximately 1,400 to 1,800 kilometers. They were able to target Israeli bases and sensitive centers. According to estimates, the price of each missile is between $2 to $5 million. And the total cost of Iran's missile operation in this attack is estimated to be more than $300 to $600 million. A key difference with these missiles is that Qiam is designed for penetration. It is designed for difficult evasion and interception, while the Kheibarshekan is more suited for powerful and direct attacks. The new missiles, unlike ballistic missiles, the classic ones, which often had high dispersion, have enabled Iran to target vital objectives such as weapons depots and air bases and command centers with very minimal error and the greatest possible impact. F-35 5th generation vs. Iranian missiles. The 5th generation F-35 fighter jets are the main pillar of Israel's airstrikes. These aircraft are equipped with laser-guided missiles and smart bombs which allow them to target sensitive sites such as missile bases and command centers with high precision and in rapid, extensive attacks. The combination of speed, stealth, and firepower has made these fighter jets a key weapon for airstrikes and changing military equations. The price of an F-35 is estimated to be around $100 million per unit on average. This price can vary depending on the model and specific features of each jet. The operational cost for each hour of flight for this fighter jet is also about $44,000. Has Iran's air defense succeeded or failed against Israeli fighter jets? The Bavar-373 and Khordad-3 air defense systems are the pillars of Iran's air defense. The Bavar-373 air defense system is one of the most advanced air defense systems in Iran. It has a range of more than 200 kilometers, and it is capable of countering fighter jets, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. The price of a complete battery of this system, including the radar launcher and missiles, is estimated to be between $150 and $250 million. Alongside it, there is also the Khordad-3 system with a range of about 75 kilometers designed to target drones, cruise missiles, and fighter jets. And the price of each operational unit is approximately between $10 and $20 million. Israel's multi-layered missile defense system, the Iron Dome, Shield and Beyond. Israel's multi-layered missile defense system includes the Iron Dome for intercepting rockets and short-range mortars. David's Sling is for countering medium-range threats, and Arrow is for countering long-range ballistic missiles. The cost of each Iron Dome interceptor missile is about $40,000 to $50,000. A complete Iron Dome system includes radar, computer, and 3 to 4 launchers, each with about 20 missiles, cost around $100 million. Limitations and challenges of border technologies. Despite the successes of military technologies, both sides have faced challenges and limitations as well. Iranian missiles in bypassing advanced systems. At times, Israel's defense was unsuccessful and some attacks did not reach their targets. On the other hand, Israel's multi-layered missile defense systems, especially when faced with a high volume of drone attacks, came under significant pressure. The Iron Beam system also failed to prevent some missiles from hitting their targets. This shows that while the defensive technologies of both sides have advanced, none of them are perfect, and new challenges in confronting emerging threats still persist. The mutual influence of technologies on the strategy of widespread use of missile technologies. Iran's actions have forced Israel to increasingly allocate its resources to defensive systems. As a result, the main focus of Israel's offensive capabilities shifted to defense. On the other hand, Iran's stealth and precision-guided technologies also played a role. This allowed many attacks to hit their targets despite Israel's layered defense. The role of Israeli technologies in maintaining air superiority in war. Fifth-generation F-35 fighters, along with Israel's advanced missile defense systems, have played a key role in maintaining the country's superiority. They have played this role in penetrating enemy defensive lines and accurately targeting vital centers. Along with their performance, the effectiveness of Israel's multi-layered missile defense systems in repelling Iranian missile attacks allowed Israel to respond quickly and in a timely manner, minimizing its casualties and damages. These technologies have had a significant impact on shaping military strategies and maintaining Israel's air security. The importance of coordination between technology and human resources. This war proved that having advanced technologies alone is not enough, and true success is achieved when these technologies are integrated with well-trained personnel and effective coordinated command. Both countries, by utilizing modern technologies alongside optimal management and swift decision-making by commanders, enabled them to manage and control the complex challenges and rapid pace of this technology-driven battle. The future of technology-driven warfare, lessons learned. This war shows that the future of conflicts is no longer limited to traditional military power alone. Rather, it involves a combination of advanced missile technologies and highly intelligent countermeasures. Highly precise multi-layered defense systems along with cyber and electronic warfare have completely transformed the battlefield. To maintain superiority in the future, thoroughly learning from the strengths and weaknesses of current technologies, developing new systems, and continuously upgrading existing assets will be the most important strategies, so that countries can succeed in the complex and fast-paced battles of the future.